right, so last week we learned about building words. So we're going to review that by reading this transfer card. Remember, we're going to build up to saying the word. We're going to say the letter sound, the slide, and then the word. So here we go. Ba, bag, bag. I had a bag of groceries in my hand and it was very heavy. Dad, dad. My dad is super cool. Gab, gab. To talk a lot. To gab means to talk a lot. Fad. Scrunchies are a big fad right now. So let's read the words again. Bag, dad, gab, fad. All right. Do you know what the word nonsense means? It literally means a silly word that doesn't make any sense at all. So we're going to look at some nonsense words. Okay, so I want you to look at these two words. This is bath, dad. One of these words is a nonsense word and one of them is real. Bath or dad? Which one do you think is a real word? Yeah, it's the word dad. I can use dad in a sentence, and when I say the word dad, it comes up with a meaning in my head because it means something. All right, so my dad likes the Braves. I can use that word in a sentence. But bath, not bath like you're taking a bath, but bath. This is not a real word. This is a silly word that has no meaning. I can't use it in a sentence. All right, because it has no meaning, it's a nonsense word. But if you can read and spell the nonsense word bath, then I can see that you know all the letters in the word. That's why we read nonsense words and we write nonsense words, as well as the sounds they make. I can read it even though it doesn't make any sense. I know B says ba, A says ah. If I slide them together, they say ba. And when I put the on the end, it says bath. And that lets your teacher know or other people know that you know the letter sounds and how to blend words, even if they don't make sense. This little mark right here just tells me that it's a nonsense word. It doesn't make any sense at all. Then, of course, I mark my real word with a vowel because, or mark the vowel because it is a real word. So when you come into your lab lesson this week, you're going to be working with nonsense words. You're going to be reading the words and you're going to be practicing writing the words. I'm going to put this transfer card for you to work on in today's lesson work. But I know that it's going to take a little bit of time. You're only going to do one word a day. That way you can build up to understanding what a nonsense word is. And when we come to groups this week, we'll be building nonsense words and talking about how to put an asterisk beside our word and all of that. So let's look at these words, these nonsense words. We're going to read them. Bab, bab. Fab. Daff. Gaff. So we have bab, faff, daff, and gaff. All right, so when you come to groups this week, that's what we're going to be working on is some nonsense words. All right, and I can't wait to see what you can do.